Do you want to learn how to convert a PowerPoint presentation to a video file? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So I've opened up my PowerPoint presentation here. And in order to export to a video file, I'm going to go over to record here. And you can do the same thing by clicking on the record button as well. But we are going to click on export to video. Or if you want to record first, you can click on record. And inside here, you need to make sure that you have got your microphone selected correctly. You can turn the camera on or turn off the microphone here. And then if you click on this button here, it's going to start recording. And once you've recorded your voiceover for these slides here, click on export your video, which is going to get you over to this page where you can just give a file name and it's going to export a .mp4 file. You can browse it where you want to save it. And then you've also got the customize export. So it's going to take you over to this page, which is export, create a video, and you can customize it. So you can click here and make an ultra high definition 4K. You can go for that. It's going to be a large file size. You can use the recording timing and narrations and such here. The seconds spent on each slide. You can also increase or decrease this time here, the seconds, and create a video by clicking on this button. So that was for settings. And if you go back, and I go back from here in edit page, I can just click on export to video instead of going for record. And inside here is going to take us over to the export page instead of going for record. Now you just need to set the file name, like I said before, and click on export video. And it's going to start exporting our video and we can view it. Click on yes. And it's going to show us our video here. And that's it. That's how you can convert a PowerPoint presentation to a video file. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And if you want to learn more about PowerPoint, there are more tutorials on the left-hand side. It's going to pop up in a playlist. And I've also done more software tutorials that are going to pop up. You can check out inside it. See you there.